Hello, my dearest and nearest friends, that's me, Karina, and the channel Art Distributor. Today, we're gonna make together this beautiful front door decoration. This is a basket with artificial flowers. Let's dive in. Press the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video. Today we're making a basket that will hang on the front door as a decorations for the entrance. This basket is flat, compact, and at the same time very elegant. To make this basket, we will need a basket itself, a brick of floral foam for artificial flowers, or a piece of polystyrene foam of the same size, a glue gun, glue sticks, scissors, artificial flowers, and ribbons. The first step is to prepare the floral foam. We measure the dimensions of the basket beforehand and cut a piece from the brick of floral foam or polystyrene foam that fits inside the basket. My piece turned out to be slightly small, so I'm preparing 2 more small pieces to place underneath to prevent my main piece from sinking too deep inside. We wrap the polystyrene foam or floral foam in plastic or fabric. Anything you have on hand can be used. Why am I doing this? To hide the foam in the weave holes of the basket. If your basket doesn't have holes, you can insert the floral foam without any additional elements. However, for aesthetic convenience, I recommend using something. Plastic wrap is what I had on hand. Nice color, inexpensive, and practical. I insert this liner tightly into the basket so it doesn't protrude. If it's a bit loose, you can add some padding or plastic or fabric, or you can glue this liner to the basket. Next, I take artificial flowers. The first one I will use is artificial eucalyptus. Also, this basket can be made using the same technique with stabilized flowers or dried flowers. We insert everything exactly the same way. There is absolutely no difference. The only thing is that stabilized and dried flowers are more fragile. Other than that, it's all the same. I trim each stem to make sure it's not too long. Then I insert it into the floral foam for artificial flowers and dried flowers. I really enjoy working with polystyrene foam paired with artificial flowers, but unfortunately I didn't have any polystyrene foam this time. I prefer it because it's not as crumbly as floral foam and you don't sneeze from it. You just create this centerpiece calmly with pleasure. Next, I insert artificial ranunculus into our basket, distributing them evenly around the perimeter of our basket. And that's it. In addition to the ranunculus flowers themselves, I also use their leaves because they are very beautiful, fizzy and silvery. It's a pity to throw them away, so I cut them separately from the stem, as we shorten the stem anyway, and insert them into the basket as well. Then I add small artificial hydrangea. Instead of small artificial hydrangea, you can use, for example, white viburnum, and it will be also wonderful. The main thing is not to overdo it with the size of the hydrangea and make sure the color scheme is preserved. Here my color scheme is quite cool, and the main thing is not to add any more yellowish hydrangea here, otherwise it will slightly change everything. To liven up the composition a bit, I insert real curly willow branches into the basket. This will make the composition a little more lively. Since we still have the background in the composition that needs to be decorated and my main flowers are finished, I take pink eucalyptus, cut off the yellow heads because they looked a bit strange, and simply add them, filling in the background and adding a little bit of this delicate pink eucalyptus into the front. It also fits into the cool color scheme, but I like how it looks. Now it's time for ribbons. I'm using several ribbons here. The first one is a silk ribbon with an uneven edge, super trendy. It's semi-transparent, light, very delicate. I tie it around the basket because it's natural and goes with everything. Next, I add a purple lace ribbon. I really like it too. It's kind of lavender and it matches the eucalyptus color very nicely. And the third ribbon, it's a grosgrain one, dense, thinner and with a wide edge. I also like it, so I use all three ribbons. I love having lots of different ribbons, they always appeal to me. We glue them with a glue gun. I glue all the bows to the basket, and thus we get one big bow made of different ribbons. I trim all the ribbons to a certain length so they match each other. And that's it! Our front door decoration is ready! My dearest creative people, thanks for watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed the result. Have a great day, see you soon. Bye bye!